People like me feel lost and little and ugly and dispensable. People like me have husbands who are cheating on them with people far more perfect than me. People like me have sons who hate them. I mean, a 7-year-old who doesn't want to get in the car at the end of the day. And he looks at me with such anger. Look, I know I'm failing you. I know I'm disappointing you. I know you deserve so much better, but get in the fucking car!
Chandler's mother was beaten to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Someone gave him $250,000 before he left Saudi Arabia.
Wait a second. You're telling me because of one act of indiscretion merits divorce? And you allowed Lester?
Look, this whole business about your father being a homosexual is just a rumor that Max started to get dominance.
Sex.
I don't know what you're talking about, and I'm not having sex, by the way.
Violet, don't lie to the woman who does your laundry.
3 locations, 3 stakeouts, warehouse, suburban house, and a bathhouse. Jensen has no contact, no family, no reason to be there at all. Coming from where you're coming from, being who you are, being a gay soldier isn't necessarily something you can tell anyone.